Hello, Durgesh.
Hello.
Hello, can you turn on your video? Okay. Hello, bro, Durgesh.
Hello.
Yes.
Am I visible?
Yes.
Good afternoon, bro.
Good
How are you?
afternoon. I'm doing good. Where are you from?
I'm from Noida, UP.
UP. Okay. So yeah, you sent me the um. When did you mail me? Like a week ago, I guess. Yeah,
Yes.
it's been a week, and yes, and today. So how old are you?
Yes.
Okay, I think you are like 20.
No, 22.
Okay, you are 20. And I think you know
What's
my.
about you?
I am 25.
No, you are looking my similar 22 as maybe
Yeah, I look a little younger than my age, but I'm 25.
literally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What's about you, Mr. Tippu?
So, no, just call me Tripto. So, yeah, you
Okay.
can ask me any questions you have.
So I want to know about you. What are you doing? Where are you from? What are the object English conversation between people to people, online, offline?
So, yeah, I'm from West Bengal, and yes, I love to have conversations with strangers. So,
West Bengal,
yes,
Kolkata,
yes, near Kolkata, not exactly in Kolkata, but near Kolkata.
near Kolkata. Okay.
So, what's the capital of UP?
Lucknow.
Lucknow, right? Yes. So, Noida, you are from Noida. Noida?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
right? So, how far is Noida from Lucknow?
Approximate 550 kilometer.
Oh, 550.
Because the Noida is a area of Delhi
Hmm.
capital region, Delhi NCR, known as Delhi NCR.
Mm-hmm.
Is a NCR means National Capital Region.
Mm-hmm.
In
Yes.
हिंदी राष्ट्रीय राजधानी क्षेत्र.
So, what are you doing nowadays? Like, are you studying or are you working?
Basically, I belongs to civil engineering.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
uh, I work as a site engineer or road construction. I mean civil maintenance work, road construction. But literally, I want to learn some English from Duolingo, my friend reference. So
Okay.
from there, I know some letters and some knowledge from English speaking and English learning. After that, I scroll many YouTube videos and watch video. And after that, I found you on YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
literally,
When did
and
you?
open your channel. After that, hit your YouTube channel page.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, there,
Yeah.
there you write down your Gmail ID.
Okay. So you,
So
when did you find my channel?
randomly I check on YouTube. I search that English speaking, English conversation. There's a kinds of stuff on YouTube.
So you are new to this my channel. You are new to my channel.
Yes.
Okay, Durga is I like your video. Okay. I used to have such conversations a lot before. Like in 2022, 2023, I used to have such conversations with my subscribers. But then I stopped doing this. But
Oh, so
yeah.
you operate your YouTube channel by conversation with people, stranger people,
Yes,
globally
generally.
or India?
No, no, all over world, not just India. If yes, if you look at there are lots of videos on my channel from everywhere from the world. You can go to the playlist section of my channel, and over there you will see that there are people from so many different countries, from US, UK. Name, can you name any country? Like I have met so many people from different countries.
Via internet, you conversation globally with people interaction.
Yes,
One by one by one
yes.
two, one by one two.
One-on-one conversations like internet. There are different apps. Like I used to use Omegle for conversations.
Oh,
There are different
oh.
apps like Omegle.
I understood. I understood. What are you saying? You mean you found people via software application, online application like Omegle.
Yes.
But Omegle shut down maybe India.
Yeah. No. No.
In
No. No.
India,
Not just in India. Everywhere. Everywhere.
every world, totally globally banned.
Yes. It's globally banned, but there are different platforms. Like nowadays, I'm using Episoden.
Oh, what is the reason behind of this?
Behind of.
Behind of this Omegle application?
It's just for video conversations. Like Omegle was launched in 2009. Okay, it is a 2009 platform and it got shut down recently in 2023. So it was basically for video conversations. Like Episoden is for English learners, but Omegle was just for video conversations.
I understand what are you saying, but I want to know about what are the reason?
Okay, why Omegle got shut down? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes.
Yes, so on Omegle, many people used to come there. Okay, like Omegle used to say you have to be 18 plus to use Omegle. Okay,
Oh,
but there minors used to come on Omegle too. Like people below 18, they used to come on Omegle too, and it happened many times that child predators, like
yeah,
pedophile, that type of people,
yes.
like took told the minors to go to some place, or uh, around something like that happened, like, and then Omegle got sued and they probably didn't have enough money to fight the lawsuit, so that's why they got shut down. If you go to omegle.com, okay, if you go to omegle.com, you will see the proper reasons why Omegle got shut down. Like there is a proper, like, paragraphs. So I'm telling you from there only.
I guess Omegle use minor by minor, so they interact with immature inappropriate content. What is the reason behind? Maybe so.
Yeah,
That's why Omegle banned.
yeah, something like that. Like child predators used to come on Omegle. Omegle
Yeah.
used to say that children are not allowed on Omegle, but lots of children used Omegle. And child predators used to come on Omegle, and Omega. So some lawsuits happen, man. You have to look this up. So, what are you doing? Are you studying?
I completed my diploma in civil engineering 2023.
Okay, okay. So you are looking for
After
a
that,
job?
my college senior
Hmm.
referenced me for a job, and after that, I joined my job and continue
Okay, you are
on job.
working now. You are working.
Basically, in a Delhi NCR, after 26th heat wave in currently in Delhi NCR, so we are uh, unable to work on site due to heat
Oh,
wave summer
yeah.
season.
El Nino, El Nino.
Last 22 May in Greater Noida, maybe place is a place on Greater Noida.
Mm-hmm.
Highest temperature 49 degrees Celsius.
Oh, that's too hot. Too hot.
So that's why reason heat stroke and heat wave. So 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. not
Hmm.
working the heavy heating,
Yeah.
heavy heating and heat wave due to climate change and global warming. And Delhi NCR also gas chamber in India. Many fossil gases pollutions and transports, vehicle pollutions, air pollutions, and forest greenery is not
Hmm.
sufficient in Delhi NCR.
So what
In
about
my
the?
in my view, in my view.
Hmm. What about the previous year? Like this year, it's very hot. What about the previous year? Previous year was also this hot or no?
Last 2025
Hmm.
in May, the hottest day of India, 51.6 degrees Celsius in district Churu, Rajasthan, in India.
Oh.
Rajasthan also province, I mean state in India, and district Churu uh, in Rajasthan.
Hmm.
Many district in Rajasthan. So
Okay.
Churu
Okay.
district basically in highest temperature in all of India.
Okay. Rajasthan.
Yes.
Because it's a very it's a desert. Rajasthan is a desert. Not many
Desert
trees.
basically, I understood your talk. Desert basically belong in Jaisalmer district. Jaisalmer, Bikaner,
Hmm.
you listen about there on internet or by the people. But here is the main reason forest.
Yes, there are not much
Oh,
forest. Like because
yes,
it's there are not many trees in Rajasthan, so that's the main reason I think.
deforestation by industrial development, government deforestation.
Yeah. So.
People are cutting tree and plantation, so many
Hmm.
forest and many greenery of nature greenery
Mm-hmm.
destroyed by the human activity
Yeah.
for self industrial development. That's
Yes.
the
So these are
that's
the
the main
reasons.
that's the main reason for heat wave and temperature uh, year by year is growing up. And after that, El Nino, do you listen El Nino?
Yes, El
El
Nino.
Nino?
El Nino.
Yes. El Nino like heat wave every year. So May, June maybe uh, appear on May, June in
El
India.
Nino is probably it has come to India after maybe a decade. El Nino.
Yes.
So who do you live with, Durgesh? Who do you live with?
My senior, junior, they are also working, but in this time they are go out outside.
Okay. Okay. So you don't. So where does your so you live away from your family?
Yeah, my family in village area belong. My family belongs to village area, but we are going
Okay.
and go out going on. We went on Holi and Diwali in my
Okay.
village.
Hmm. All
What's
right.
about you? You live in your home or you working or not?
No.
What's
I,
about you?
I do
Please
work.
share.
My YouTube channel is my work, so I work from home. I also do some other freelancing work like video editing. So yeah, and which can be done from my home. So yeah,
And what's about your parent? Only you live only your home. No parents.
sorry, only.
You only live in your home or with parent.
No, my parents also live here. I live in the ground floor. Parents live on the first floor.
They are working or
Yes,
something.
yes. My
Yeah,
mother, both are employed. Employed.
I mean working or farming.
No,
What's
no,
work?
no.
My family belongs to village, so they also working.
Okay.
I mean they are farming.
No, like my parents are government employees.
Oh,
So yeah, so you are new to this channel. Okay, that's great to hear. And so how long are you here for?
Basically, how many?
Hmm.
Sorry. Basically, uh,
Yeah.
I have not conversation with people many times. So my English, I mean my English speaking is very roughly or moderate. Before 2022, uh, I am fluent in English because uh, atmosphere people within the English speaking people they
Hmm.
are walk and speaking talking everything in English. So we are create we create a atmosphere English English speaker. So
Hmm.
that's why we fluent in English. But here I found sometimes what are the reason I want learn English more as a fluent as a native speaker. But why not?
Yeah.
So I thought internet helped me.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yeah.
so I
So
got AI, and after that something learning by AI, internet, and after that all over. After that I found you, and there I try. That's the reason uh, your English conversation improvement, and also my English conversation
hmm.
improve. And sorry for everything, and learn to me what are my mistake and what I can improve my English
Okay. Okay.
and
So
update and learning.
you have
You
had English
understand my
conversations.
talk?
You have had English conversations before.
Yes.
Before you have had English conversations before than this
Yeah, YouTube video.
YouTube video. But did you talk? Did you before this?
But my practice is very low. That's why reason I was not fluent in English, and
Okay.
also I am not yeah, in present fluent in
So
English.
have you had conversations in English before? Like, have you talked with people in English before than this conversation?
No, no, no.
So this is your first
Only
English conversation.
2022 people at two three people. I'm a friend.
Hmm.
We live each other. We live with same area and talk and learning speaking each other. So we are fluent in English, but currently I have no base atmosphere people base speaker. So that's the reason my
So
English
you
is
can
not
use
that.
this app called Episoden, which I am currently using to talk with many people. Episoden. You
You
can
check
use Episoden.
you share the everything in a Gmail or WhatsApp. So I try
You
or
can you
my
can see that app in my recent videos. You will see that app Episoden in my Gmail videos. Okay.
okay.
So
So is it paid or free?
it's a free app, but there are some limitations. Like there are limitations on how many conversations you can have in a day. There is a time limitation, like generally 7 minutes. But generally, it's a good app, and you can find many people from this on this app from different parts of the world, from Africa, Central America, South America, China. Many people. You should just you can look at the playlist of my channel. You will see so many countries. You will see. So who are there in your family?
What?
Like in your family, which people are there in your family?
Oh, my family member. I got it. I I sorry. My family member have five family members, parents,
Mm-hmm.
mother, father, and we are two brothers.
Okay.
Yes,
So your parents and
are farming.
Okay, you're farming. And how many siblings do you have?
Yeah.
How many
What?
siblings do you have? Like you said, like brother. Like you have
Brother,
siblings.
brother. Yes, yes, yes.
You have
Younger brother.
one brother only.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
My brother younger, but uncle's family and their children also. My brother sister.
Yeah.
Understood my talk?
Cousin brothers.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it.
Yes.
You got my talk.
So currently you live in Noida, Greater Noida.
Reason behind working.
Okay.
I am work from home like you. Then I work from my work.
Okay.
Sorry, home
Home.
in village. I
Mm-hmm.
mean in village. But there are very limitation. Basically, uh, internet
Inter-
internet connectivity low in a village area, rural area, and uh, two option majorly I noticed that crypto. I noticed that majorly two option in village area, rural area for employment.
okay. What are that?
Uh, One is the farming, basically,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and after that two is the uh, I mean yeah, animal dairy.
Okay. Okay. Like yes, dairy products you can sell.
Yes, yes, yes. Meat or milk product.
Okay. Yeah.
Only two options. Nothing extra. But urban area, many opportunity. You
Yes.
can you can work from home like you. You
Mm-hmm.
can video editing. You can work as a graphic designer. You can work as a English speaker, tutor. Many
Yeah.
options.
There are
You
lots of
can
options.
work as a teacher. You can work as a caretaker. You can work as a engineer. You can
So
work as
if
a
you have
yes,
internet connection in your home, then many options are there, right?
yes,
Once
yes.
you have the so in your village, there is no internet connection, no Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is not available, but from my home, or I mean, 10 to 12 kilometer in town, Urai.
Mm-hmm.
Urai is my hometown. Hometown, I mean, small city, approximate 50, sorry,
Okay.
7 lakh people in a living.
Oh,
Small town.
57 lakh people live. It's not a
No,
small
no,
place.
5 or approximate 5 or 7 lakh.
Okay, 5 to 7 lakh.
Yeah, so hometown, little hometown.
Okay, okay.
So in Urai, Wi-Fi is available
But
for
Geo
bad
Fiber, what about Geo Fiber? Geo Fiber is also not available over there. Geo Air Fiber.
air fiber. Yeah, this is only marketing, digital marketing for people influence, but real in a customer behavior and customer service is very poor. Not available village area, also not urban area. They only
Okay,
they only charge
what
people
about
and
mobile data? Does
use
mobile
people.
data work there?
Yes, yes, mobile
Mobile
data
data
also
works. Okay.
in a in my village and other hometown internet connectivity by phone is very good. Jio is very good, but Airtel a
Yeah.
little good. So, due to internet connectivity and sufficient network tower in our area,
Hmm.
our village area, in sufficient tower.
Okay.
So this is the main reason for internet streaming, internet connectivity. But
Okay.
company provider is that we are upgrading, but continue in our current situation 5G area, but we are not connectivity in village area, only 4G area coverage
So let me
from
ask you.
village location.
Let me ask you. I
Hmm.
forgot my question almost. So, how long have you been learning English?
Maybe 3 4 years, 20, 22,
Okay, okay.
21, 22.
So, what are the
In starting,
hmm,
uh, I forget some, but in starting
Hmm.
time, in beginning time, I am very poor English. I only listening people and they ask me any question, I look their face only. You answer
Okay.
only when they asking me what about please tell yourself 5 minutes please tell yourself. I uh, I am unable to explain myself.
So, how did you
But
improve your English in 4 years? How did
yes,
you
yes.
improve your
No,
English?
no. 4 years, no. 4 years. Uh, if I experience every 4 years continuous, then I am fluent in English. But in sometimes we are gapping in learning English. That's the reason.
Okay. So, you watch like you follow English channels on YouTube? Are there English
Yes,
channels?
yes, yes. Some channels and some US video channel, entertainment channel. I watch YouTube video and listen. I understand and listening movies, web series in English. I understand, but I can not reply and I uh, not unable to understand when they are fluent speaking.
Hmm.
So I bounce my English. Yeah, that's the reason. In current situation, you and me English conversation, but I capture your English word, your English language. That's the reason your
Accent.
accent and your English speaking is very medium like me. So I and you capture. If
Okay.
you are fluent, I forget what are you saying, what and
It's not
because
about fluency, it's mostly about the accent. Like if you cannot
because
understand
I
something.
I I attend my online interview.
Okay.
So their HR speaking in English fluent, I forget, and after that I return my Hindi and say मैम प्लीज हिंदी में बात करें और आप थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश भी यूज कर सकते हैं. You understand Hindi language?
Yes, yes,
Communication.
I understand Hindi.
Bangla also.
Yes, Bengali is my mother tongue.
Hindi is my mother tongue.
Okay.
And Hindi also lesson mother tongue in India. Hindi in UP, MP, Rajasthan, Haryana, also little Punjab area, very uh, third,
Yes, I have
third
heard like
most spoken language in world, Hindi language.
Hindi language is the most spoken language in the world.
Third rank.
Third, okay, yes. So I think in India, around 43 to 45% people have Hindi as their mother tongue. Like there was this
Yes, yes.
study survey, and they found 45% of people in India speak Hindi as their
And
mother tongue.
100 plus of accent of Hindi language speaker.
Hmm.
In Bihari touch Hindi, in UP touch Hindi, in MP touch I mean mother tongue. Native accent, different area, different accent.
Okay.
Change.
Okay.
When
So
you when you speak in Hindi in Bihar area, you listen Hindi language and you found their accent change.
so,
Bihari touch feeling on Hindi,
so
but
you,
UP
hmm.
and Delhi real feel in Hindi. That's the real accent from belongs Hindi language. That's the real. For example, last speaking British speaker is real speaking English, but we are speaking Indian accent.
Okay. So
They are
you are
say
living in
business
Maharashtra.
or this.
You are
Yes,
living in Maharashtra for how long?
Maharashtra maybe 3 4 days. My friend is
Oh,
working as a textile industry. They are operator,
Noida is
textile
in
operator.
Maharashtra, right? Or
Yes,
Uttar
yes.
Pradesh?
Dharavi Mumbai, and Bandara, and also Nagpur, and they are working one to another place, another one to yes, they are working,
Okay.
and they are influenced to and working also textile and many factories. There, these family member working, so uh, they belong Marathi also speaking and
Hmm.
English. but they are from Maharashtra, long time living
Okay,
in Maharashtra.
okay. So, what YouTube channels do you follow in on YouTube to improve your English?
I forget, but I remember that some YouTube channel, TikTok,
Hmm.
English learner, and Indian YouTube learner. Maybe you know a little girl from Haryana.
Little girl
Uh,
from Haryana.
yes, yes.
Janvi.
Yeah. He is influenced to me,
Okay.
and what a English I know, yaar. What a English. Many accent
Hmm.
has
Yeah.
learned by
She's
yeah many
probably
accent. British,
she's probably doing her PhD
Australian.
right now.
Yes, America. What's the reason, Trishku? That's the main reason he belongs to urban area, and uh, the main reason English accent learning is conversation with foreigners,
Hmm.
tourists in Agra. Agra, you know, Agra, Taj Mahal.
Okay,
This is the
so
biggest.
let me tell
Yes,
you,
yes,
Durgesh, you
yes,
like after this conversation, visit my channel and go to the playlist section. Okay,
yes.
over there you'll be able to see that there are 195 countries in the whole world, and maybe I have talked with more than 150 plus country people. Okay, in
Okay.
my conversations.
Wow.
Yes, so
Congratulations, great.
more than 1500 conversations are available on my channel.
Wow.
More
Wow.
than 1600.
Super. Outstanding. Super.
If you want to talk, here some American, there is a whole playlist dedicated to that. There is a whole playlist
But
dedicated to England people, like that.
currently, can we talking from sorry, talking with foreigners?
Currently, to talk with foreigners, there are different apps like Monkey app is there, Monkey.app, Chat Roulette is there. I told you about Episoden, but over there you won't find any native English speakers,
My
but you will find a lot of
reference
good
my
English learners.
yes. Reference my friend. Other is a good Azhar
Episoden, yeah,
worldwide.
it's
But
a excellent app.
but, yes, but he said it's bad.
Huh?
He said it's bad
Who
service.
said it's bad?
Other application is bad service, subscription based.
No. Episoden is for free. You don't have to subscribe.
Other app,
Episode other app, Monkey.app, that's also free basically. But you can also take the subscription to talk with particular types of people. And yeah, Chatroulette is free. So, but yeah, Episoden is free of course. And
never mind. We can communicate English conversation
hmm.
each other.
So you have any
Next
YouTube
time,
channel, Durgesh? Do you have any YouTube channel, social media platform?
I want to make YouTube channel for in my scenario social issue in India,
Hmm.
but not purpose for English communication. My purpose in YouTube channel social issue and aware to people social issue in India like civic sense. People are unemployed and people are struggle.
Hmm.
They go by internet to people and they learn and aware and grow your career and grow India. That's my
Yeah.
purpose YouTube channel. But
Yes.
currently we are not
So, what is your favorite YouTube channel?
and
Do you have a
we
favorite YouTube channel?
our YouTube channel.
Yes. Do you have any
Uh,
favorite YouTube channel?
my you say you ask me maybe wrong question. You say what are you favorite topic
No,
from
no, no,
YouTube like
no. Yes, that question is there too, but I asked you, do you have
Uh,
any favorite YouTube channel? Like a lot of people like Mr. Beast, or like some
mm,
people like T series. What about you?
mm. I follow my favorite one of the favorite YouTube channel spiritual knowledge there
Okay,
globally.
what is it called?
So uh, Yogi Satyam, they are a spiritual leader. So I follow this and main reason they have multiple no, sorry they multilingual.
Who?
Spiritual leader is a multilingual. He speaks Latin American, sorry, Latin American English and French, Spanish, Hindi, English. So that's the reason I follow and same knowledge, different language
Okay, okay,
provide to people and follower, special follower.
okay. Hmm.
You can follow him.
Yes.
I mean my circle.
Yeah.
And
So there is this.
basically my favorite topic is business learning and
Okay.
career learning. So Dr. Vivek Bindra, you know.
Yes, Vivek Bindra.
Yes, yes. So
I think
I attend in Delhi business webinar, so I know very well.
you
As a
had.
business personality also, business coach and also learning business affordable in India.
Okay. So, who do you like more, Sandeep Maheshwari or Vivek Bindra? Who do you like more?
Dr. Bhavendra, but Sandeep Mahasri also good, but in last time Dr. Bhavendra between Dr. Bhavendra and Dr. Sandeep Mahasri
Mm-hmm.
controversy create
Yeah, there was this
social media.
controversy. There was a controversy. Okay,
But Vivek,
let's not get into
yes,
it because this could be a controversial thing. So let's avoid this topic. Let's not get into trouble. So, uh, yeah. So if you have any questions, you can ask me.
about you tell more and what Bengal I want to visit my India, my nation, my home country to provide me some guidance or knowledge for tour as a tourist in West Bengal. What is the main
Hmm.
place for tourist and what is the West Bengal current situation?
Okay. So
You can tell about yourself in West Bengal.
so
So
yes.
because you are local in West Bengal, so
Mm-hmm.
you are best
Okay.
experience
Yes,
from here.
I'll tell you. So I used to go to school. Then I did finished 10th. Then I gave I took an examination. It's called, I don't know if you have heard of it, or if it is. It's called like JEXPO, something like that. Okay, it's like maybe it's only available in West Bengal. Maybe it's just a West Bengal thing.
Maybe you are saying you are not you are uncompleted. Girl,
So I did
intermediate.
10th, then I did 1 year of that polytechnic course, then I dropped out of that college, then I did 11th and 12th of school with PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. Then COVID hit, and by the time I also like started my YouTube channel. So, and about West Bengal, I want to know the uh, tourist attractions of West Bengal. So there are many attractions are there in West Bengal, like Victoria Memorial is there, Birla Planetarium, then other
Victoria Memorial. I listen about
yes, then
this.
Science City is very popular. Eco
Science
Park,
City.
yes, Science City,
Yeah,
Eco Park,
in
Nico
Kolkata.
Park, yes, in Kolkata. Eco Park, Nico Park, then Howrah Bridge. It's very old. The British people built that bridge, but it's still lasting. And nowadays, you can see like I was hearing that news that it's a 200 more, maybe more than 200 years old bridge, the Howrah Bridge, but it's still lasting. But the new bridges, a lot of the bridges are collapsing. So
I want to ask a question. Uh, what is the current situation in current government,
Mm-hmm.
and what is the last situation in TMC government? I mean TMC running last time in
No,
West
no,
Bengal.
BJP is currently the BJP.
No. Last time, past TMC, Trinamool Congress,
Yes, there was TMC. Now there is BJP. Here is BJP.
TMC, Mamata Banerjee,
Yes.
Didi, famous also called Didi.
Yeah. So yes, Didi is gone. Now BJP. Shubhendu Adhikari.
So, what is the past scenario between a current scenario in your way? Explain that
Scenario.
member for
I
many,
have like, yeah. I think
that
it's
member
getting,
narrative for people
yeah. I think
listen.
it's getting better day by day. And like there was this metro work which was pending for a long time, but it was done recently. So yes, I think the government is doing
Run
its
or
job.
operating currently.
Huh?
Running or spot.
What is it? Can you hold it closer?
I say uh, metro work, you see metro work is going on.
No, it's completed. It's completed. It was
Completed.
pending.
Okay.
It was pending during TMC time. They
Oh,
are not doing the
but
job.
but during BJP
Hmm.
government, it's going on and also completed.
It's got completed.
Okay. And what is the upcoming project in West Bengal? What's about? Y-
Like
Where?
there are lots of projects. I don't know. I should follow the news, or I should follow these things movements. But there are lots of things are going to happen, I guess. Yes, probably we are West Bengal in under some better government. Hopefully, we'll see. Time will tell. Oh, it's too hot over there, right? Isn't it? It's very hot.
What is the temperature currently in your home or your
It's
hometown?
34, 35. Yes, 36.
46 in Noida currently.
36, 36, 46 in Noida.
Yes, 10 degrees Celsius more
Oh my god.
from your palace.
Oh god.
But we are living in fourth floor,
Hmm.
so there are some feeling, some
Okay.
better. I mean, some better feeling
So
for
fourth
living
floor.
people.
You got in
Yes, yes.
fourth floor.
From base, fourth floor.
Fourth floor. Okay.
Base,
So
first, second, fourth.
okay.
Yes,
Base first, second, third, fourth.
fourth.
Okay. So
And five, six, seven. Seven is the top.
okay.
Very hot. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yes.
Seven is very hot. People run out from home. They locked their room. Run
Yeah.
out from room.
Yeah. 7 has got to be too hot. 7. I can understand how you are. So I live in the base, like ground floor. Okay, so
You,
and there is
so you feel
2 floors
cooling.
on top of the ground floor, so it's pretty good. Maybe there are 3 floors on top, because there is this corket shed. So it's decent temperature, not too hot. Hmm. So anything
So tell
else?
me for more influent in English, please about,
More what?
please provide guidance for fluent in English.
How to get fluent in English?
Yeah, so please guidance.
So, so you said that you had many conversations before, right? So, who did you have the conversations with?
I had a yeah, I had conversation my friend, but last time, many 2, 3, past last 2, 3 years.
Okay.
Currently, currently in present situation,
Hmm.
in present scenario, I mean, there are no people. I mean, there are no English speaker with me conversing, English speaking. You are only now English speaker.
No, no,
So
it's not
we
true. There are lots of people who do such things. It's not just me. So, like on.
no, no, I said, my friend, that we practice either via video calling, Google Meet, English conversation, like you and me, English conversation. But he said, okay, okay. After that, he forget or he's uh, he's not taking serious. I mean, not
Hmm.
serious for learning
Your friend.
purpose for
Your
yes, yes.
friend.
I say okay, okay. After that, he forget.
You should use episode. On episode, and you will find many English learners who will be interested in into talking with you or having interactions in English to improve.
Yeah.
So,
What is your learning secret for English conversation fluent day by
so,
day?
so you can. I'm almost fluent. Maybe I'm fluent too. I don't know. I have never taken the IELTS test. IELTS.
Hmm. No,
So,
no, no. I also I know I, but I mean some people speak English as a English speaker. Normal speaking English people understand each other in
hmm.
speaking English and also, but as a fluent speaker, I will tell for many career options. I will say only as a fluent English speaker, people talk each other only, not your career IELTS exam. IELTS is very high education purpose also, and many are kind of stuff.
So, that's
You
interesting. So
you
you
can
can
you
like
prepare English.
I have one advice for you. Like to improve your English, you can record yourself on your phone and later watch. Like in English, make vlogs or make some recording. Talk about what you did today before you go to bed, something like that, and watch it the next day. And keep doing it
I
every day.
try.
It will definitely improve.
Yes, yes. I try this secret, but some people some people guide me. Race, if you want to fluent in English as a fluent speaker, so you can
Hmm.
conversation as a you can conversation with a fluent English speaker like you and other. So they provide you guidance and notice your uh, mistakes and say uh, improve your mistakes and follow his guidance like you guide me recording video and conversation with me English grammar vocabulary this kind of stuff.
So those things are there, but so you will not meet so yeah, you need to try your best to improve your English, I guess.
Thank you, but is my first conversation with you online
Yeah.
basically really.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
it's my pleasure and
Like we'll meet again some other day. Okay, but you should visit my playlist section. There you will see so many videos are there. You should visit like my live streams. In the old live streams, you will see that I used to have such conversations with my subscribers, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, on call, and I used to talk with, I used to converse with my subscribers. So that's going to be very interesting for you, I guess.
video recording is going on
Yes,
really.
yes, yeah, we are in the video call.
Oh my god. So you can video, you can record a video recording for information after that put on YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have already talked about that on the mail.
But I can make sorry, I have made many mistake in this speaking.
Yeah, it's okay. Like when I started my YouTube channel, then I used to make many mistakes too. Now even nowadays I make some mistakes. So nobody is perfect. So when I was,
Basically, in my in my mind, basically I noticed my mistake in English. My English grammar is very poor, maybe. because I forget where is past tense, where is present tense,
Okay,
where is
okay.
future tense.
You need lots of
That's the main
listening
reason.
practice. You need to have the practice of listening. You need to have lots of listening practice of good English, like English podcasts or like that. So that will help you a lot. Okay, Durgesh, I think you don't have anything else to ask. Do you have?
No, no, no. Thank you for
Yes.
sharing your time and English conversation, and thank you again.
Yeah.
And
So I
well,
think I'll be uploading this conversation by
and
today.
I hope that we are going on future conversation in English.
Yeah, yeah. I'll like you can like maybe next week we can have another. We'll
Yes,
see.
yes. After 1 week, you can share your message, uh, Durgesh. Are you ready for English conversation?
And
Then I'll tell you.
and in that time, in that 1 week, you watch many of my videos so that you have an idea of who I
And
am and
also share your personal guidance as an English teacher for me in WhatsApp, please.
okay, you need to watch my videos. Then you will understand a lot.
I also watch your video, but I request you
Okay,
for
okay.
this personal guidance.
Okay. I will analyze these conversations and I will tell you where you need to improve. Right.
Okay, okay.
All right, Durgesh. What does it
Thank
mean?
you.
What does Durgesh mean?
Durgesh
Hmm?
name Shiv Shakti.
Shiv Shakti. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Durgesh. See you.
Durga plus is called Durgesh.
Yeah.
Ma Durga Shakti and
Durga
is
Durga
all in
Puja
one.
is
Yes,
Durga Puja is so
yes, yes,
popular in West
yes.
Bengal.
West Bengal Durga Puja. কেমন আছে?
Yeah.
ভালো ভালো.
কেমন আছো?
Some people speaking in Bengali in their
Hmm.
area, so I listen Bangla little bit.
Okay, Durgesh. See you soon. See you someday.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.